I'm really loving my essential oil diffuser here. This was gifted to me, so I can go ahead and show you all the features. And it does have quite a few. Right away, you just kind of see the look of this. This is a resin vase. It's about the size of my hand here. And it just has all these really nice little lines through here. The controls are right here on the front. You turn on the power, change the light setting. Also, we've got a timer, 1, 2, and 4 hours. And then on the back side, this is our power port. It does come with, of course, a power cord right here, Type C on the end, and adapter to go ahead and if you want to plug that into the wall, or you could plug this into a power bank or any other power source. On the bottom side here, non-skid feet right here. And before I actually turn it on, let me go ahead and just show you how we're going to use this. This just lifts right off. This is where we're going to go ahead and put in our water. The max line here, when it's filled up, it's going to give you 150 milliliters. We're just going to take the top off like that, add our water, and then our essential oils. So I've just added some water. You can put a few drops of essential oils, put the top back on, and the vase slips right over it. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now, when you first turn it on, it can go through seven different colors, or if you want, you can go ahead and change that by hitting the slide button. And it's going to just stay at a one color for a little bit longer, and then it's going to gradually change it to different ones. If you want to go ahead and change the time on it, hit our timer button here, and you'll see it lights up right there. Every time you press it, it's going to go from 1 to 2 and to 4 hours. It's very relaxing to watch. I love all the colors through here. So we've got this light strip right through here. The vase itself kind of glows, and then at the very top of it too, you can see the light coming out. It also illuminates the water vapor that's coming out. One thing to know too, it's got a good safety feature, is that when the water is gone, it gets below a certain level, it automatically turns off. And you can just add some more water up to 150 milliliters, and then it's going to come on automatically again. But it's almost like it's something that you could put on a table here. It's almost like a little work of art, a little vase. I love the way it looks, the way it lights up. Super easy to use, and since it holds essential oils, it's a great way to go ahead and disperse that through the air. Hope you found this review helpful.